When it comes to choosing windows that combine durability, functionality, and style, awning windows are an excellent option for homeowners in Lafayette. With the region's mix of rain, humidity, and changing weather conditions, selecting weather-resistant windows isn't just a preference, it's a necessity. Awning windows are specifically designed to perform well in these environments while enhancing the overall comfort and appearance of your home. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a protective, awning effect when open. This unique design is one of their biggest advantages, especially in a place like Lafayette where sudden rain showers are common. Unlike traditional windows that must be closed during rain, awning windows can remain open, allowing fresh air to circulate without letting water inside. This ability to ventilate your home even during wet weather is a major benefit. Proper airflow helps reduce indoor humidity levels, which is particularly important in Lafayette's climate. Excess moisture inside your home can lead to discomfort, musty odors, and even mold growth. Awning windows help combat this by promoting continuous ventilation, keeping your indoor environment healthier and more comfortable. Weather resistance goes beyond just keeping rain out. Awning windows are known for their tight seals when closed, which help prevent drafts and protect against wind intrusion. Their design naturally presses the sash firmly against the frame, creating a secure barrier against outdoor elements. This added protection helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Energy efficiency is another key advantage for Lafayette homeowners. Because awning windows seal so tightly, they minimize air leakage and improve insulation. This means your home stays cooler during hot, humid days and retains warmth when temperatures drop. Over time, this improved efficiency can lead to noticeable savings on energy bills while also increasing overall comfort. Durability is essential when dealing with changing weather conditions, and modern awning windows are built with strong, weather-resistant materials. Whether you choose vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum frames, these windows are designed to withstand moisture, resist corrosion, and maintain their appearance over time. This makes them a long-lasting investment that continues to perform year after year. In addition to their performance, awning windows offer a clean, modern look that enhances your home's exterior. Their compact design works well in a variety of spaces, including areas where larger windows may not be practical. They are often installed higher on walls for added privacy while still allowing natural light to enter, making them ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, or even basements. Security is another feature that homeowners appreciate. Because awning windows are smaller and open outward, they are more difficult for intruders to access compared to some other window styles. Many models also come with multi-point locking systems, providing added peace of mind without sacrificing ventilation or style. Maintenance is simple and hassle-free. High-quality awning windows are designed to resist warping, cracking, and fading, even when exposed to Lafayette's sun and moisture. With occasional cleaning and basic care, they can continue to look and perform like new for years. Another benefit is their versatility. Awning windows can be used on their own or combined with larger fixed windows to create a customized look. This allows homeowners to enjoy expansive views while still benefiting from the ventilation and weather resistance that awning windows provide. Ultimately, awning windows offer a smart solution for homeowners in Lafayette who want reliable performance without compromising on style. Their ability to withstand rain, improve airflow, and enhance energy efficiency makes them a practical and valuable addition to any home. If you're looking for windows that can handle the local climate while keeping your home comfortable and inviting, weather-resistant awning windows are a choice you can feel confident about for years to come.